Bye-bye to the yellow-ish. So there are these lottery scratchers that you can buy that are fakes that say that you win $5,000, and I prank CHEY with those.
I don't believe this.
Actually, I can help.
What? It's a fake one. I know it's
No.
fake. Yes, it is.
They don't sell fake ones.
Yes, they do. I'm not playing with
Here?
you.
You're annoying.
I know you. Here, I feel like
suck,
this
dude.
diamond.
Oh, are those monkeys? I can't. That's so weird.
It's like a dog running.
Or both. I haven't seen the little spray paint things.
Yeah, it's alright.
Oh shit! It's high!
This is cute though. I'm gonna fucking fall. Yeah, we'll see.
Rocks in them kids, they went down there. Let's go! I'm gonna live here for free. Rent free. I found you a house, Gabby. Then you have to work. Perfect. Did they get the 2-bedroom?
I think so.
Sure.
There's like another little thing right there.
What about a bag of cuties or something? I hope you got that.
I don't even know what it looks like. Oh, please don't fall. Please don't fall.
What? The Blair Witch Project. And kisses. Love you. Careful, shit. It's funny how we tell people careful, like that's gonna change something. So me saying careful to you automatically blesses your feet or what? I don't know, man. I don't know.
I was in Mexico and I was swimming in the Doma. It was called. And there was like a little piece of poison oak in the water.
It was in the water?
Yeah.
Oh, what the heck?
It was just floating there, and I grabbed it and put it away. And then I went on top of a rock where all the poison oak was, and it got on my leg right here.
Oh,
Yeah.
it sucks. When we were kids, do you remember cousin Jessica?
No.
She's a lot older. She's a kid now. She's Auntie Marilyn. Auntie Marilyn's daughter. Jessica. She used to babysit us. And one time we were she took us on a hike through the like hills in Hemet, and because supposedly she heard that is it Marilyn Manson
Oh, yeah, I
or
actually remember
something
the
lived,
story.
his house was up there or something, so she's trying to find his house, And so she took all us kids up, and we were like in a line walking like little ducks behind her up the mountain, and we literally all walked through, like, and walked through poison ivy all over all of us. And like as we were going, we were all like, yeah, and it was like rashes all over all of us, and we were still going. And then one of the neighbors up there noticed us, and then they noticed that that's what we had like going on, and they literally came out and put calamine lotion on us.
That's nice.
And we never found Marilyn Manson's house. She lied.
That's
I don't know if she lied, but yeah, that's my story.
Okay, one time we went to a water park, and I was going down the slide, or the water slide, and I don't know why, but at the very bottom of the slide, I bent my knees, and so when I went in, I went like down, and my knee scraped on the drain that was right there. And if you look on my, I don't know if you can see it now that my tattoo's there, but I have three straight lines on my knee, and it cut my knee open.
Cringy.
Reminds me of like cheeseburger. I like crawled out of the pool. I was
like water parks are probably like the most contaminated, nasty water. Like tons of kids pee in there, and you got an open wound in the pee water.
It didn't get infected. It's
that's
fine.
good. I'm happy for you.
Thank you. I almost slipped right there too.
I literally was like, this would be the best part, to slip and fall all the way to your death, and then I slipped. You see?
Let's just dive in now.
Let me switch you real quick so I can take a video of it.
You go.
So bye-bye to the yellowish. Bye-bye, yellowish.
Bye-bye, yellowish.
Thanks, baby. We'll be back. Transformation. Oh, shit. That's ugly.
This is that's bad lighting.
It's bad lighting, everybody. It's not ugly. Okay? Woof.